Moving on. So in terms of the technologies, like I mentioned earlier on in the webinar, you have the choice of picking the technology that you're going to build your app with. You could choose, for example, if you're a web developer, you could choose to create your app, your native Windows app using HTML and JavaScript. And some of you, especially those of you who had many years of experience in the industry, might wonder how you could create a native app using HTML5 and JavaScript. And that's the beauty of Windows 8, is that because HTML5 and JavaScript are first-class citizens in terms of creating a Windows Store app, just equivalent to C#, .NET, XAML, just equivalent to C++, and so on. All of these are treated as first-class citizens on Windows 8, and you can create an app using any of these technologies. So let's say you were a web developer, or you are a web developer and you're familiar with HTML and JavaScript. This will enable you to use that existing knowledge as well as a whole bunch of third-party open source commercial libraries that exist to create a native Windows Store app. And to give you an example of some of the apps that are already built using HTML, JavaScript, these are existing live apps that are already in the store. The store app itself is built using HTML5 and JavaScript. So the Windows Store app is itself built using HTML5 and JavaScript. Similarly, the music app, the weather app, the Skype app, the health and fitness app, the finance app that you just saw where I've shown you the BSE Sensex, the mail app, the news app, the people app, all of these are built using HTML5 JavaScript. Now, what about those of you who are familiar with